Hi, I'm Jo from Bikerheadz, and today we talk about the Segura Garrison Jacket. One of the most common complaints we hear from ladies is that often the only color option available for them is pink. We hear you ladies, and we're trying to change this for you, starting with this Lady Garrison jacket. It comes in navy blue and burgundy red. It is a waterproof but breathable jacket with a removable thermal liner. The navy blue jacket has a lovely cream liner, and the burgundy red has a black liner. It has a lovely styling with quilted patches on shoulders, a neoprene collar and a leather patch on the sleeve. It is quite well fitted around the waist but wide across the chest, so it's very flattering for female figure. And it has two chest pockets, two front pockets and two inside pockets, both on the liner and the jacket itself. So when you remove the liner, you don't remove your pockets. And you can check it out on bikerheadz.co.uk.